Alright, so welcome to the live streaming sessions, and let us get started for tonight. And welcome if you guys are new, and definitely I hope you guys could get some informative information on how you guys could do your trades for tonight. I certainly hope that will be the case. And if you guys do have any questions for the market, just let me know, guys. But in a moment, I'll be starting, and let me prepare for some small things before I get started. And certainly, if you guys do have any questions, as usual, you guys are welcome to let me know on the comments or the chats. I'll be happily answering any of your inquiries or any of your questions. And later on, we'll be starting soon on the market, guys. All right. Hope you guys are enjoying your time. And we'll be starting out soon. All right. So just to get you guys a little bit of a head start, seems that prices are right now potentially building a topping phase. As prices couldn't break out high 3,400, there's good chances we can see that the weakness could continue on the market and potentially trying to test back the 3,380 area, guys. And that's what we have been seeing so far. And again, we'll be starting soon, preparing some things for you guys. So better get prepared. Okay. Okay, so welcome. And so far, on what we are able to see, prices hasn't been moving a lot. And yes, certainly, as prices has been rejecting the resistance at 3,400, prices has been testing the spot at 3,390. And again, not much of a change from that price. And so far, from what we are seeing, I'm expecting to see that prices will actually start to go to rebound and has been moving on a range, as you guys could actually see it on your own. And remember that tonight we'll be having the unemployment rate on the Canadian side, but not much on the US side. So I'll be expecting that today market movement will be slightly slower as usual, as prices hasn't been moving too much. And the possibility for good price movement will be happening. It's more likely to happen much later on the market, guys. Okay. So as prices has actually started to slow down, see that prices couldn't drop even much further. I think it's pretty much obvious for us to see that happening. And one of the main reasons we see that kind of possibility happening is we haven't been able to see lots of changes, and certainly the expectations for us to see that what kind of a trend could happen for today. All right. So maybe just a small introductions from me. I'm Steven. Nice to meet all of you. And one of the main things that I usually will be talking about the market is I'll be watching throughout important commodities. So things such as the gold and also other important trading assets such as silver and also the gold, oil, and some currency market will be one of the main topics on the live trading session. So if you guys are usually analyzing on your own or you guys are interested to learn more how I'm viewing the market based on the trend, price action, the chart patterns, you guys are certainly welcome to follow us along on these live streaming sessions, guys. And again, if you guys have any questions to the market, you guys are welcome to let me know on the chats or the comments, and happily help you guys to answer any of the questions about trading in general or any market that you guys wanted to watch and analyze together. Certainly, you guys are welcome to request for it. So hope that I could help you guys as well. And certainly based on what we have been able to see so far, that today we will not be having a lot of news. That will certainly impact the market as we are not really seeing much of the news happening. So I'll be expecting to see much of a slow market on most of important commodities such as gold, silver, and the most likelihood we are going to see is probably a ranging market. So again, we'll be keeping an open mind, try to see what are happening on the market. So first of all, I'll be switching towards our usual charts and try to analyze what's happening for tonight. So let me just delete this. So what actually do happen on the market since last night on the gold market? So if we are trying to take a closer look on the market, we have actually seen that prices hasn't actually changed that much. And prices has actually been moving on a range since yesterday and hasn't been able to break out higher than 3,400 area. And if it did, it's just a slight pullback. So after breaking out, giving us a false breakout, prices eventually go back to lower on the market is the ones that we are seeing as of now. So based on the overall market situations that we have been watching, the likelihood for prices to continue to go higher or going lower is pretty much harder to anticipate, as we have been seeing that the overall market for today has been moving on the sideways. So that's one of the main key things that you guys need to watch out for today. If you guys are interested to trade on gold, set your expectations right, guys, because the overall market movement has been within these very tight ranges, 3,380, 3,400. So during this kind of market scenario, there will be two types of things that you guys could do. First, you guys will actually start to buy on the support or near the support, or sell near the resistance, or what I would say, it's a sideways trading strategy. So you guys could try to use this time to find out what will be the best action to do, trying to find out whether prices could give you guys a possible or false breakout or false breakdown, and try to buy near the support and sell near the resistance, as that will be the best chances that you guys could actually make some good profits for today. Unless something big is happening, which I haven't seen anything yet as of now, I'll be expecting to see more likelihood that the market movement will be slightly moving on a range. And as of now, we are actually seeing that prices has actually been consolidating at the support. Maybe that is giving us the chance to actually give the potential to buy near the support area. All right, so that's one of the things that maybe if you guys wanted to take a look on the market. And the second thing, if you guys wanted to look at the market, is we can actually start to see the possibility of waiting and trying to be patient, guys, because sometimes, yes, our analysis could be right, but sometimes the overall market condition hasn't actually allowed us to do much for now. So one of the things that I'll be suggesting to you guys, be patient, try to wait out for the best prices to hit near the support area at 3385, 3384, so that you guys could get a much lower risk setup, because I believe that will be the best thing on the market, rather than trying to force yourself to enter the market too quick and get a risk and being kicked out of the market when you are entering at a much of a, I would say, hanging in the middle space between the sideways area. So the lower the better for buys, the higher the better for sells. Because right now, based on this kind of market conditions, the best things that you guys could do is trying to sell on resistance and trying to buy on the support. So during this kind of situation, you guys definitely need these two things on the market. First, patience, so that you guys can actually find the best area to buy on the lower area. After getting confirmations will be the best thing. So that's why I always prefer to wait out for more things to come to market rather than trying to rush in things, as that usually won't be a good thing to try to rush things in, especially we are not really seeing the signs of consolidations as the one we are seeing early part of the Asian sessions today. So again, I will be waiting as usual, but if you guys think, all right, it seems that prices has already been going well, I think I found a low risk setup on your own, you guys are certainly welcome to try to make your trades, plan your trades. Certainly that will be the case, and enter the trades right away, guys, because there's good chances in this kind of market scenarios, there are possibilities that prices could start to we are a very good consolidations and a good chance for us to actually see prices to go higher. And I believe with all of this market scenario where we haven't been able to see that prices could break out higher than 3,400, it's likely to stem out from the possibility that the US dollar index has been a main strength. As you guys could see from the currency strength charts out of today's chart, we've actually been seeing that the US dollar index has actually been moving really well, pushing up higher and higher, and it's actually the second strongest currency for today. And I believe with that kind of move, we should be able to see that that's why we haven't been able to see that the gold market has been able to benefit it. Like most of the events has been out on the market on the economic side. So again, the best thing that I will be expecting for tonight, moving on a sideways range, not too much of a gain, I would say. So I would set my expectations quite right, trying not to rush things up as the possibility for gains or losses won't be as much as you guys could be expecting as well. So again, I would suggest for you guys to be a little bit careful. Okay, so hope you guys get a little bit of idea what you guys could expect out of today's gold market trade. But certainly if you guys are thinking, all right, it seems very much complicated, you guys still don't know how you guys could execute your trades, certainly you guys are welcome to join us on my premium trades as we have really been doing really well for this week as usual. Every week we have some good weeks, some bad weeks, but certainly during this kind of market moments, I really I really say that the most important thing is how you guys could manage your risk. And as long as you guys could manage your risk pretty well, there will be always good chances that you guys would make some profit. So for this week itself, we have actually been making three very fantastic sell trades on all of them has been hitting our third price target, alongside with silver hitting three price target, three. And those trades can actually cover the whole market movement that we have been performing on our premium trades. And certainly, if you guys don't want to miss out on the next trading idea, you certainly are welcome to check the link on my profile or my video description. Click on the link and chat me so that you guys don't miss out on my next premium trades. And I'll show you guys how you guys could get ideas such as this. And certainly right now, we are on the verge of waiting and trying to see where the next trade could be coming out soon. So that's why you guys definitely don't want to miss this out, especially we are on the verge of a potential crisis could be rebounding from the support. I certainly hope that you guys don't miss out on your chances on the gold market and also on the other trading assets. So if you guys are confused, you guys don't know how to do your trades, and you guys don't want to miss out on chances of making good profits on every single trade's potential hundreds of dollars, and certainly you guys don't want to miss that out, check out the link on my profile or my video descriptions and make some good trades and profit together with us, guys. All right. Hope you guys have a good trading day. But certainly, we are one of the solutions that you guys could look out for if you guys are trying to find out trading ideas to do on your phone, easily executable on your phone, and you will be notified when the next trading idea will be coming out. So next, we'll be looking at silver. I'm expecting to see silver market will be slowing down as well, similar with what we have been seeing on the gold. And let me just show you guys even much clearer on the market. All right, so I'll be back with you guys in a moment. I'll be taking a few moments, but again, if you guys are watching, you guys can actually see a very similar pattern forming on the silver chart today alongside with the gold, where prices has actually been ranging again, guys. So this is the overall market movement that we have been watching for tonight. And certainly if you guys are expecting something big to happen, as usual, guys, I'll be expecting to see whether prices could actually break out of today's high or whether prices could break down of today's low. Because so far, from both gold and silver, we haven't been able to see much of a change, and prices has been relatively slowed down and trading inside this sideways area. That really shows that first, the trend isn't showing any clear trend. Second, momentum isn't as much as we think. And three, with this kind of movement, I will suggest to you guys, be patient, guys, because sometimes be patient could actually gain you some profits on your hand. And why I would say it's going to give you guys some profits, I'll be letting you guys know later on, right after my break. I'll be back with you guys. All right. And again, the live streaming sessions will be continuing. I'll be taking a small bathroom break. Okay, guys, I am back, and let us get starting as usual. And let me get back on that topic. Why you guys could actually save some money and potentially make some good profits when you guys do patience, guys. All right. So first of all, if you guys certainly are waiting and be patient on the market, one of the things that you guys could be sensing is you guys won't be making unnecessary moves on the market. And with preventing of doing unnecessary moves, you are actually making profits because you will not be eaten by the fees, you will not be potentially hitting by your stop losses, and getting much of a better chances to enter at a much better market conditions. So that's why it's very much important to be patient in the market, especially when things are still moving on a range, not really showing any potential good trends. Waiting could be a good game for you guys to play on other than the trading itself. But patience is not something that could be easily earned, and it's going to take time to master as well. So again, as you guys could see from our early analysis, I'm waiting for more confirmations to actually see whether the current price rejection just now over the past 1 hour is the lowest. It turns out it's not, and prices goes down lower and actually give us a better chances to enter at lower prices. So that's the most real-time example that you guys can actually see for your own. That by waiting, you guys can actually get much better entry point. You guys could save your trading fees. You guys could avoid unnecessary losses on your trades as well. So again, as we are waiting, sometimes a good consolidations could form on the sideways area, and then when you execute your trades, you get more certainty, you reduce your potential losses, and you guys could get much clarity in terms of trades. So I believe that that is the most important part of the trading side of the market, where you guys could master your patience, your emotional side of the game, and when you master that well alongside with a great money management, I believe that you guys should have been trading pretty well on your own, guys. But again, if you guys think you still haven't got a clue on how you guys could do your trades alone, you guys couldn't set up a trading plan, you guys are certainly welcome to join us, trade together with me and also other traders and make some good bucks as well. So you guys could check out the link on my profile if you guys are interested to get that premium trades, and also on there I will be sharing some other ideas with you guys on the market, how you guys could analyze of the overall market situation on a weekly basis as well. All right. All right. So right now it seems that gold is trying to form a support at 3384.85. We'll see how well it goes. So far it's been going really well. And again, waiting is a part of the game and it's part of the trading as well. And certainly with this kind of price movement, usually I'll be waiting for the next candlestick. And if you guys aren't patient enough, you guys can actually switch to shorter time frame, and you guys need to readjust your view if you guys are shifting towards shorter time frame. So I'm just shifting to actually see what's actually going on. And so far, all of the signs are pretty convincing. We are actually seeing the possibility that the gold prices is actually rebounding on the support, give you guys much clarity on the market that you guys are waiting for. So I believe that's a pretty good chance for the market. And again, if you guys are enjoying your time here, getting some insights on how you guys could trade, you guys are certainly welcome to follow and subscribe so that you guys don't miss out on any chances that I'm sharing with you guys on the live streaming sessions, real-time updates, real-time analytics, and share this video with friends or others so that you guys could learn to analyze the market together and get some tips and tricks on how you guys could trade profitably well on the long run. Because I think it's the best thing rather than trying to make big money in one single trade. Sometimes it's best if you guys could sustain your trades on the long term. And I think that's the most important thing. I won't be recommending, say, okay, I will be winning every single trade, will be winning almost true in every analysis. But I think the most important thing is how you take every single step correctly, try not to overtrade, try not to be overconfident on the market will be the best thing that you guys could do on the market, guys. All right. And just imagine like this week we have actually been making some good trades. And first of all, we have really been making three fantastic trades on all this week alone. Two fantastic trades on silver, one fantastic trade on gold, and all of these trades is also followed alongside with much shorter term profit target on gold, silver, oil, and overall this week has been fantastic. Every single trade has been profiting hundreds of dollars if you guys have been opening on the smallest lot sizes together with us, as our profit target is much huge and much wider if you guys are watching on my right hand side of the window. You guys can actually see this is one of the real trading ideas that we are sharing on my premium trades, where on the gold market we hit our third profit target, profiting around 200 pips in just one single trade. And if you guys are not used to trade with wider target price, we are actually giving you guys a choice to take profit on a much shorter price target. And so it's very much suitable to everyone if you guys are trading on a shorter time frame, longer time frame, swing, or whether scalping. We are actually providing those ideas for you guys as well. So no matter what you guys choose to trade, commodities, forex, we always do trade on also all of those. So certainly you guys are welcome to check us out on the market, guys. All right. So hope you guys are enjoying your time here. And later on, I'll be discussing what's actually happened on the US dollar index and what could be the implications on the gold market later on. Because so far, from what we have been able to see, gold market has actually started to rebound. Maybe there's some chances that prices have started to move lower on the US dollar index and started to rebound. And maybe that's the case where we started to see that gold right now is building up the chances for a potential rebound on the market. So we'll be watching carefully and closely and try to see how that changes will be affecting our trades on the market, guys. All right. All right, so we'll see what happened on the US dollar index right now, guys. So we'll see what happened and what could be possibly a good trading idea that we can do on this market movement soon. All right, then. Okay. US dollar index. What's happening? All right, so let us discuss what has actually happened on the US dollar index analysis that we are watching right now. So as you guys could see that since last Friday, we have actually been seeing that the US dollar index has actually been moving on a downtrend and actually started its drop down with its biggest drop. Right, we started to see that it is dropping quite much, and we are seeing the chances that prices is moving down lower and lower, and that has actually given the chances for gold and silver to try break out higher this week and giving us a much better days on this week trades, as you guys could actually see it on your own. If you guys have been trading on gold, trading on silver, I'm sure you guys have actually been able to see what kind of move is actually happening in the market, and those kind of moves is particularly well, as those kind of chances has actually given us the room to maneuver and make some good trades during some of the days when this kind of market period has allowed us to make some good trades as well. But afterwards, when we started to see that the price movement has started to slow down, we need to be able to also watch out, try to see what's happening, and reanalyze what's the view on the market. And certainly during those times, we are able to make some good moves again, as usual. And during those hours, I would say that the price movement has actually been pretty well. Prices has been following its downtrend, moving lower and lower, and actually giving us the chances to make some good trades on the long side on the gold. However, entering today's market movement, we have actually been seeing that prices has been relatively stable, moving between $97.77 towards $98.20, and hasn't been able to go up higher for tonight. And that certainly has actually give us some kind of a slower market movement on both gold and silver, as we are not really seeing much of a change happening there yet. And based on that alone, we are expecting to see that the US dollar index will be slowing down its movement, particularly maybe that will be giving us a lot of coincidences that prices on gold and silver has actually been moving on the sideways, hasn't been able to show us a lot of change. And as a result, if you guys are trading on gold and silver for tonight, I'm sure you guys are able to see that prices has actually been slowing down a little bit on the market as a result. But again, based on the overall market movement that we have been able to watch and analyze, we have actually seen the chances that prices will actually starting to show some sense of resistance right at $98.20, and potentially prices could weaken and try to test the support at $97.70 based on this kind of market movement. Because overall, we are seeing the signs that with the market ending at this week, we are expecting to see that market movement will be slower, not much more of an economic events. Certainly, that will be impacting the overall market movement, guys. Okay, so I'll be expecting to see that it will be able to help to push up the gold prices if the US dollar index keeps on weakening and weakening. As far as what we are concerned, the chances of prices to drop is still existing on the market. So with that, I will be expecting to see a potential for the gold market to actually start to rebound in the market, and this could actually be one of the good choices and the chances to actually do some buys near the low, as right now the potential to get a low risk setup is starting to appear, and you guys can actually see it even much clearer on the shorter time frame and the 5-minute charts as the ones that we are watching. So with that, I'm expecting to see more moves to come, and likelihood for prices to continue to go higher maybe could start to appear on the market. So if you guys wanted to get this clear trading idea on the market, you guys are certainly welcome to join me on my premium trades, where I'll be sharing those ideas with you guys there, and you guys all could get access on it for free, and I will show you guys how you guys could get those trading ideas on your phone, guys. All right. So certainly, I hope you guys don't miss on the chances on the trading ideas as well. So head out, click the link on my profile, check the link, and chat me up for those ideas on the market, guys. All right. Hope that will be the case. And certainly, if you guys are enjoying your time on the live streaming sessions, don't forget to give us a support by giving us a thumbs up and likes. Certainly, hope you guys are able to enjoy your time here, get some ideas on how you guys could be doing your trades, and learn some few things on the market and using trend, chart patterns, as well as the overall market situations that we have been able to see for tonight, guys. All right. So your dollar index starts to slow down, and let us try to analyze what could happen on the US dollar index against the other currency and what could be possibly giving us a good chance for us to see how the prices will be moving, guys. All right, so we'll try to see out how that plays and if whether prices will actually start to go lower on most of the other currency against the US dollar or goes higher. So we'll try to see out how that plays and hope you guys are able to get some good trading ideas on the market as well. All right, so based on the overall market movements that we are able to see on the market, we have actually been seeing that the US dollar index has actually continued to go down weaker, and that could be possibly a very good sign that the US dollar index started to weaken and possibly there will be some interesting move that could be happening. So one of all, if you started to see, is the US dollar index has actually been performing really well against most of the other currencies, with the exceptions of the pound sterling, Australian dollar, and the Canadian dollar itself. And based on that, we have been seeing that prices has actually been slowly showing us the chances that the prices on the Japanese yen has keep on going down weaker, so I'm expecting to see more good chances that could appear on trades such as the GBP Japanese yen, possibly AUD Japanese yen alongside with USD Japanese yen, and basically I'll try to look out on where is the best momentum that could be coming out from the market because if prices starts to slow down, we are actually seeing the chances for prices to actually start to rebound on the Japanese yen. That could be a little bit terrible on the market, guys. All right, because if prices starts to go weaker on the Japanese yen, maybe there will be some good chances on the currency market, guys. So we'll try to take a closer look on those side and whether prices could actually move much better on the market. So if you guys are enjoying your time here, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, give us your likes, and certainly don't forget to follow and subscribe so that you guys don't miss out on any important market information that I'm sharing with you guys live on this live streaming sessions, guys. And again, if you guys don't want to miss out too much, definitely the only way that you guys could do that, follow and subscribe. And certainly, if you guys wanted to get my trading ideas, certainly welcome to join my premium trades, as that is the only way that you guys could get access on my premium trades, where I've been sharing several good trades this week. And throughout the whole week, I would say, we are actually seeing the good chances that could be happening on the market, guys. All right. So again, if you guys don't want to miss out the chances to make hundreds of dollars on every single trade, be be profitable easily with you guys together, because we are also sharing this with other traders, and I'm sure if you guys are inside the premium trades, you are actually making a really good money out of today's trade, guys. All right. So hope that's the case. And if you guys do have any questions to the market, you guys are welcome to let me know. Certainly, I'll be happily answering any of your questions and your inquiries as well. Okay. All right, so for you guys to actually see it much clearer, I'll show you guys what has actually happened on the currency side of the market, so that you guys could actually know what kind of trades that you guys could do together with us. All right, so first of all, US dollar Japanese yen, to see what's actually happening. So as you guys could see, US dollar has actually been quite stable with the weaknesses of the Japanese yen. This could be one of your good chances to do your trades on the currency market, as right now prices is consolidating, giving you guys good chances of a possibility that prices will continue to go higher. So this is one of the chances if you guys wanted to see. So again, I'll be waiting for more consolidation if you guys interested to enter the trade. Same thing as what we are seeing on the GBP, Japanese yen. So since the Japanese yen keeps on weakening, a lot of good chances could appear. Try to find out where the best momentum of the currencies, such as the GBP, Euro has actually been performing really well. So you guys could consider to do trades on Euro, Japanese yen, as prices just broke out of today's high, and prices actually been moving really well. So certainly Euro, Japanese yen could be one of your best choice to do your trades on the market too. Okay, so we'll be back. If you guys do have any ideas on the market, let me know. Or if you guys wanted to look at what kind of market. But so far, as most of the other currency has been a little bit slower and weakening, chances on the currency market has started to fade as well. So we'll try to see out and where the next market could be going next. Okay. Okay, so it seems that prices actually start to change and has actually break down of the low for today, and that could really change the whole idea of the market and possibility that prices actually start to break down today's low, and that could really change the whole dynamic on the market and could actually give us the chances of the possibility to start doing shorts on the market as we are likely to get confirmation soon on the market. So as prices could show some of that ideas happening on the market, we'll try to see out how that will be playing out. As prices right now will try to form what could be the possible next market scenario, whether prices could actually rebound from here, or whether prices could break down of today's low, breaking down today's low area and start to rebound to go higher on the market, guys. All right. So we'll see out how that plays, and if that's the case, we're likely to say that right now there is a clear trend, prices is weakening, bearishness is starting to appear, and good chances we can start to say prices are moving much lower on the market. Okay, so it seems that despite the US dollar index weakening, we are not really seeing a lot of chances, and we are getting confirmations that prices are weakening lower and lower. And it's going to give us more confirmations on how the overall market movement will likely to move next if prices couldn't start to break out and stay above the ranging area. Likelihood for us to actually see prices will continue to test lower on the market for tonight, guys. Okay. So the time for confirmation is starting to come out. We'll try to see out how that plays, and whether that could be happening or not is likely to come out soon as prices couldn't break out higher. we'll see what are the chances that prices could rebound and possibly giving us the best buying on support again for us for tonight. So we'll see. Again, we are still waiting. You will be patient and waiting for our chances to come, guys. Okay, so right now we are still waiting for confirmations. Again, guys, patience is very much required as most of the chances we'll be getting is likely to will be appearing from the lowest risk as prices will be rebounding from the support. Good chances that this will be the chances we'll be getting to buy very much low at the support area. So we'll see how that changes will be going and whether prices could actually start to give us something on how the market movement will be going higher from here, or whether prices will still be slowing down on the market with this kind of case. All right. Okay, so it seems that prices is actually giving us the chances to buy right at the low area, guys. And with the overall situation that we have been seeing, likelihood for prices to rebound is much higher based on the overall market situation and could give us the lowest risk for tonight. So again, we'll be trying to see from that perspective and try to execute trade on that idea, guys. All right. So again, if you guys are interested to know what I'm sharing on my premium trades, you guys are certainly welcome to join me on my premium trades so that you guys don't miss out on any chances that I am sharing with you guys. All right. All right. So for now, we haven't been able to see a lot of changes, and we are likely to see that prices on both gold and silver rebounding as we started to see that the US dollar index starts to re-weaken back and most of the other currencies have started to rebound, and we haven't been discussing about one trading asset for tonight that's coming out from the all market, and I'll be discussing it with you guys soon. So stay tuned if you guys wanted to get more ideas and more analysis on the all market so that you guys don't miss out on that market movement, guys. All right. All right, so let us discuss what has actually happened on the all market for tonight. Yes, okay. Okay, so one of the main ideas that we are seeing on the all market for tonight has actually been pretty simple. That since last week we have already been seeing that the oil prices has been undergoing a massive downtrend. It's all happening due to geopolitical tension around the market that has already been happening for years, and right now there's a potential that the geopolitical tension could start to ease and potentially giving us the chances that the oil market could continue dropping on the market. So with that, I'm expecting to see there's good chances for the oil to continue dropping down lower and will be breaking this week's low. And the prices on $63 has been actually one of the lowest price on record since 2021, and we're expecting to see further drops, especially after this week. There could be a lot of big surprises that could come out on the oil market. And the overall market situations for today has actually been dropping pretty much, as you guys could see. The prices has already been dropping from $65.50 and has actually been going down lower and lower without any big improvement in terms of the recovery. And right now, we are seeing a possible healthy rebound, and potentially, we are seeing good chances that the oil market will be weakening a lot from here. So, the expectation is for us to actually see that the oil market could suffer more declines and potentially testing the lows at $62.50 in the next few weeks if prices continue to go down weaker, guys. All right, so that's the view on the oil market. Even though right now we are not really seeing much of a chances yet, the possibility for that to happen is much stronger. Okay, so that's all on the commodity side, and I hope you guys get the analysis what you guys could do out of tonight, as we are starting to see that there's some good chances starting to appear on the market, and I hope that you guys don't miss on the chances on the gold market, silver market. And if you guys are still confused, you guys don't know how you guys could do the trades on your market, on the trading and ideas that could be possibly happening from our side, certainly you guys are welcome to join us on my premium trades. And all you guys need to do is check the link on my profile on my video descriptions, and you guys could get access on trading ideas such as the one you guys are seeing on the right hand side of my window. And you guys could get access on the clear instructions on how you guys could execute the trades, and with the clear entry price, stop losses, target price, and we have already been making hundreds of dollars this week on almost every single trade. And I hope you guys don't miss out on the next trading ideas that I am sharing with you guys as well. So I hope you guys don't miss out the chances. take your action and make some good money with us, guys. And certainly, whether you guys are trading short term, long term, you guys are ready to make some good profits together, guys. All right. So hope you guys get analysis, and if you guys do have any questions on the market, you guys are welcome to let me know on the comments or the chats. Hope you guys could ask me any questions that you guys are curious or you guys are confused how you guys could do your trading. I hope I could help you guys answer your confusion or any of your questions on the market, guys. All right. So welcome to chat me what you guys have in your mind, whether it's trading or any request on the market that you guys wanted to check out together. We can try to see out what's happening. But so far, the most interesting things are right now happening on the gold market, where there are good chances that prices will start to moving in a much better scenario that we have been watching, guys. All right. So if you guys are enjoying time here, get you guys what you guys have been looking out for the market analysis, what kind of tips and tricks and how you guys could do your trades. Hope you guys can give us a support by giving us a thumbs up and likes, and certainly don't forget to follow us so that you guys don't miss out the next time I'm sharing this information with you guys as well. All right. And if you guys have any questions, drop in the comments or the chat, guys. Alright guys, so just a short information for you guys. We have been hitting our profit target and made hundreds of dollars in just one single trade. So congrats if you guys are already on my premium trades. And if you guys are interested to get the access on my premium trades, certainly welcome for you guys to join it through the link on my profile and chat me so that you guys could get access on my premium trades, and welcome to make good profits together with us guys. Alright, certainly expecting more things to come in the gold market. As I've already been telling you guys, there's good chances that there will be something changing on the market, and it has already happened on the market, guys. Okay, so definitely don't want to miss that out again, guys. All right. So I'll be expecting that the market will be slowing down right until our live streaming sessions end. So I'll be expecting more moves to come maybe at the end of the trading sessions for tonight, as more market movement will be coming at later hours, right nearing the US market session. So I'll be expecting more volatility to come. And definitely, again, we'll need to be patient for more market actions to come soon on the market. Yes, all right. So be patient and wait out for it. And later on, before our live streaming sessions end, I'll be giving us a recap what I'll be expecting, and hope you guys can make some good trades. And certainly, if you guys are interested to join me on my VIP live sessions, where I'll be covering more ideas with you guys, and I'll be talking with you guys economic events, economic insights, you guys are certainly welcome to join us. And this is like one of the part that we have been discussing yesterday, and what are the implications on trading assets. If you guys are interesting, and if you guys think this interesting enough, and you guys wanted to get access on this kind of updates so that you guys could know what are the implications on the market, certainly you guys are welcome to join me on my VIP live sessions tonight. And all you guys need to do, click the link on my profile or my video descriptions and ask for access on my VIP live sessions, and I'll be showing you guys how you guys could get updates on the economic insights and how you guys could make some good trades out of those informations, guys. All right. All right. So as prices continue to go, as we have already been saying with you guys, ranging. Hope you guys have been able to take the clues. And if you guys are still confused, check out my premium trades through the link on my profile, my video descriptions, and join us together to make profitable trades together with me and also other traders inside, guys. Okay. Alright, so we are right almost at the end of our live streaming sessions, and I hope you guys get the analysis of what you guys wanted to get. And certainly, if you guys wanted to get more updates on the market, you guys are welcome to join me on my VIB live updates later on. And all you guys need to do, click the link on my profile, my video descriptions, click on it and chat me, say that you guys wanted to get access on my VIB live sessions, and I'll show you guys that you guys could join us together on the VIP side, guys. Alright, so before the live stream sessions end, I'll be covering a little bit of idea. So I'll be back with you guys in a moment and share with you guys what I'm thinking that could be happening at the end of the night if you guys couldn't join us for the VIP live sessions and for the week. And hope you guys could join us so that you guys don't miss on any important market movements. Alright. Okay, so let me give you guys a little bit of update. What could be possibly happening right before our live streaming sessions end tonight. So one of the things that I'll be watching closely is the potential for gold prices to continue to go higher. As we have already been seeing that prices has actually been moving on a range, and there's a potential that prices could go higher for tonight, as prices has already hit the lowest for today. There's a potential that the gold prices could continue to go higher for today, guys, as a result, because there's a good potential that the gold prices will continue to go higher for tonight. Meanwhile, moving on to the physical market, we are also expecting the same thing that could be happening as well, as prices on silver has actually been moving on a good consolidations, and potentially there's chances for silver to break out of today's high at $38.47. And on the oil market side, as we've already been watching, we've been seeing that the oil market has a tendency to go down weaker and potentially prices could test down the lows. And we'll be watching closely on how the overall oil market could drop. And there's a good chance that the oil market could continue to drop even further down below and test today's support at $64 again. And again, finally, on the currency market side, as most of the other currencies have started to be mixed, I'll be avoiding to do much of a trades, and I'll be covering more ideas with you guys on the stock indices during my VIP live updates as usual. Alright, so if you guys wanted to get updates on stock indices, cryptocurrencies, welcome to join me on my VIP live sessions. And all you guys need to do, click the link on my profile on my video descriptions and chat me through that link if you guys wanted to get updates and discussions on cryptocurrencies and stock indices. And for more trading ideas, welcome to chat me on the link and ask me for access on my premium trades, and I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get those as well. So welcome to trade together with us, make some good trades. And if you guys don't have the time, we'll see you guys on next week and hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Hmm.